In this video, I'll show you how to transfer data from your old device to your new Xiaomi 17 Pro. So first things first, ensure that you have the Mi Mover application installed on both devices. And then once you have installed it, simply launch it on both devices. And then you should get to this page. So on the old device, simply select old. And if you have the security lock, simply confirm it on your device. And on the new device, select new. And then choose the type or select the old device type. So for me, I'm using a Redmi Note 14. So simply select Xiaomi. And if you have any other phone, be it Huawei, Oppo, and other phones, you can simply select Android. So I'll just select Xiaomi and then allow any information, or rather allow any permissions that might appear. So let me just allow it on the new phone. Then once you allow it, it will scan for a new device. It will try to scan for a new device. On the old phone, it will scan for a new device. So let's just give it a few seconds. Now once your new device has been discovered on the old phone, simply tap on it and then it will try to connect. So give it a few seconds. And then the device will be connected. Now at this point, select all the information that you'd like to transfer from your old phone to your new device. So you can see the images, the message and history, audio and video files if you have any, system app data, and also the third-party applications. So choose the things that you'd like to transfer. So let me just select system app data and the third-party applications. So choose the apps that you'd like to transfer. So let's say all of those. And then all you have to do is tap on next. And then you should see this important information. So simply accept all the information and then tap on send. And then now you should see your data being transferred from your old device to your new Redmi, or rather to your new Xiaomi 17 Pro. So depending on the amount of data you have on your device, it might take a while. So be patient and allow the transfer process to complete. Now once done, you should see this option transfer successfully on your old phone. Select on done. Then I'll give it a few seconds for the transfer to be finalized on your Xiaomi 17 Pro. Now once it's transferred, you should see this option. You're all set. So tap on done and there you go. Now you can see all the information on my device, on my old device, has been transferred to my new device. So thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one.